Hello guys, so how are you? I hope you are good. So now my shift is started. Right now it is evening time and I was on break. I come today 7 o'clock morning, and after that I got a break around 1:30 o'clock. Okay, in afternoon time, and now it is evening time. So now I am doing my duty. It is rooftop bar. Okay, so you can see the view back of me. Okay, how it's look like. It's look so beautiful, and I am so happy. And you can see the bar how it's look like, guys. Yo, let me show you the bar. Okay guys, so this is the bar. You can see this is the bar. Okay, and this is our sir, captain sir. Hello sir. So this place is so good, but soon I will left my job from here because of some reason I can't tell you in this video. And I will go to my hometown. I will take a rest. My mental health is not good nowadays because of some reasons, and I will take rest on my home, and I will find job near to my hometown. Okay, so that's it guys in this video. I had a dream to come Himachal, so I have to come, but I don't explore more. Okay, but in future I come again and I will explore, but that time I will come only for traveling, for exploring. I will not do job in Himachal because you are doing job. Okay, you are doing job, and you are thinking you will explore, so it is very difficult because whole day you are busy, and when you get a break, so you are so tired, and in a week you get in a week you get holiday one time. Yeah, maybe not. In hotel industry it is rare. If you get, so whole day you sleep because hotel industry is very tough industry. Like you are working 14 hours, 15 hours. Time is not fixed, sometimes 12 hour. Okay, depend on the hotel crowds. Okay, if hotel room is full, so then it is very big situation. You can't get holidays for a month. Okay, this is my experience I am sharing you with you guys. Okay, and that's it guys. I am just seeing the beautiful view. Let me show you again. Okay, when I see this view, so I feel very good. And I have a one more dream to buy land in Himachal, but it is very costly guys. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are good. So right now I am in restaurant. Okay, so tomorrow is my off. I am so happy. So right now I have no just work. Okay, I get a free time, so that's why I'm making video. So this time in India it is night time around, let me check it, 11:15 p.m. Okay, so you can see the restaurant. Let me show you. It's restaurant. Okay, but what will we talk? Let me show you something. Okay, I'm going to inside my back area. So he's my friend. Okay,
Hello guys, hello.
what is your
Party
name?
होना है? Guys, I am from Kangra, Himachal Pradesh, district Kangra.
So what is your name?
Rishabh,
Yes, sir. So he's my new friend, and I am very happy because I get good friend.
and this is my captain. Bro, this
So
is my captain.
this is our captain, sir. So he always motivate me. Sometimes he scold me, but because I did mistake, that's why. But I am slowing learning, guys. Okay, because it's take time.
Now this is my turn to say something about the videos which were sent by one of my friends. His name is Sanjeev Yadav. He recorded those two videos in Himachal Pradesh. His background was very beautiful. He works in different hotels, in different restaurants. And in the beginning of his video, he spoke about his mental health. He told us that he is not mentally healthy, he is not mentally fit. So he wants to go back to his village, and he will look for a job around his house. A kid is crying. Somebody is crying behind me. So it was happening. And if I talk about today, I think these days Sanjeev Yadav, he is in Jharkhand. He has gone back to his state. He has gone back to Jharkhand, and there he's not doing anything. He's not doing any job. He's just, I can say, resting, taking rest. It is important. Rest is not bad. Taking rest is not bad. Because health is the most important thing in our life, in this world. What is the most important thing? The most important thing in this world is the health of we humans, the health of we all living beings, living things. So he was not feeling healthy. He went to take rest, and these days he is taking rest. And once he becomes healthy, then I will ask him to try becoming a content creator. I will try to ask him, I will request him, I will suggest him, I will motivate him, I will guide him to create contents, to make videos on YouTube, on Facebook, and on Instagram. He will do that, he will make videos, and he is gonna thrive, he is gonna become a better person. I believe in myself, not only in me, but also in all the people around me. I believe in them. I believe that they can, they will. We can, we will. We have the power to do anything and everything. So, after that, he showed us his other mates. One of them was Rishabh, and then he showed us his captain. He was smiling, and the moment he noticed that somebody is recording, somebody is filming, he started combing his hair with his hand. He started doing like this. Not only the captain sir, like with a lot of respect, Sanjeev was calling him our captain sir is here. And that captain sir was smiling. And besides that, I want to say that there was one more person, his name was Rishabh. He was also smiling, and the moment he saw that Sanjeev is filming, he also started combing his hair in this style, in this way. He combed his hair. Actually, this is the habit of all boys, and it is good. No, not only boys, but also of girls. It's the habit of girls also, that the moment they see that somebody has come or something is going to happen, or I'm going to do something, I'm going somewhere else, they decorate themselves, they take a good care of their hair, they comb themselves, and then they look better than before, and then they go to do different things. That thing happened, and that hotel was very beautiful. I don't know what it was, but whatever it was very beautiful. I also enjoyed this video. I mean, the video which was recorded by Sanjeev in Himachal Pradesh. I enjoyed, and I hope that you also enjoyed that video. And I made these comments about the video which was recorded by Sanjeev Yadav, and I'm going to make more videos. I'm going to record a lot of videos today. Now I'm going to end this video. There are so many kids around me, and I'm going to show you all the kids that are here. I mean, I'm recording videos, and these little kids, they were sitting here, and they started thinking of me what I was doing. Okay, so I'm going to teach them, and they will say hello. Okay, so now I'm going to record. सही बच्चे अपने अपने हाथ से अपनी चूल को ठीक कर लो, और इधर देखना. हाँ चल, हाय बोलो.
हाय.
नाम बोलो.
असाजिद.
ठीक है. हाय बोलो.
हाय.
क्या नाम है आपका?
सनम परवीन.
बहुत अच्छा. क्या नाम है?
नसरीन.
नाचलीन. ठीक है. अब नाम बोलो.
रजब.
हाँ मरियम जल्दी आओ. क्या बोलना है? और यहाँ पर रखिए. पहले हाय बोलो.
हाय. मेरा नाम है मरियम खातून.
So these people were looking at me, and I'm very happy that I got a chance to interact with them, and I got a chance to talk to these little kids. सब एक साथ करना. बोलो हाय. बोलो था दिला. जय हिंद, जय भारत.